everyone. Okay, so I found over at Joann's this yummy fall print. I also found this cute little ribbon along with these cute little birds that have little clips on the bottoms of them. Now that I've laundered and ironed out my material, I have decided to cut 4 14 by 14 panels. Now I take my first panel and I measure out a 1/2 inch and I iron it down on all 4 sides. And then after I've done that, I take and measure out another 1/2 inch and iron that down. So I actually have a full inch of material that I'm using. I make sure that I press all my sides really well so I get a nice crisp edging. Now I take it over to my cutting board and I mark it where I can find a little square. I mark the V. This way I can do my cut. This is my final cut and I want to make sure I do it right. So then once I've cut it, I'm able to have the V and the point, and then I'll be able to bring it down so that point will be at the top of my edging. And I'm going to take it back over to my ironing board and I'm going to press it down so I have a nice crisp sharp corner. And off to the sewing machine we go. This doesn't take long at all and it's very quick, and this whole project really is an easy project to do. I make sure that I sew all 4 sides down, and I do this on all 4 of my panels. This is a fast and easy sewing project for beginners to learn, and if you're interested in teaching your children, this would be a really fun project to do together with your children or your grandchildren. Now this is our point and everything's all sewn together. I just wanted to show you how nice it looks. Now I'm going to add my edging. So now we get to put our pretty little lace piece on. I love this and I think it's going to look so cute. I've pinned it onto my material and now I'm going to take it over and I'm going to start sewing it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep the edging of my lace at my foot. So when I'm down, then it will go right down the center of my lace. I'm also going to start it and then backtrack over it just to secure the ends. I really like how cute it turned out. I can't wait to use it on my holiday table. Okay, so see, and that just went on and it gives it a little extra security when you stitch and then go back over it, just so these little pieces won't fall off. So I think the napkins turned out really cute. Now I've cut 4 pieces of twine and I've put each piece into a bow on each of my napkins and added my little bird as my napkin ring holder. So if you like this tutorial, please don't hesitate in leaving the thumbs up. Also, if you have any questions or comments, you can always leave them below. And if you are a subscriber to my channel, welcome back. And if you're not a subscriber, here's your chance. So I hope that you all have a very blessed day. And until next time, friends, take care.